In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pie chart. If you want to turn simple data into something visual and easy to understand, a pie chart is a great option. It works especially well when you want to show how different parts contribute to a whole. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create one quickly and cleanly. To begin, make sure your data is already organized in your sheet. A pie chart usually works best when you have one column for labels, like categories or names, and another column for values. Once your data is ready, the first thing you need to do is highlight it. Click and drag over the full range you want to include, making sure both the labels and the numbers are selected. This is important because the chart uses that selection to determine what each slice represents and how large it should be. After your data is highlighted, go to the top menu and click Insert. Then choose Chart. As soon as you do that, the spreadsheet will generate a chart automatically. Sometimes it may insert a different chart type first, depending on the shape of your data, so don't worry if it doesn't look like a pie chart right away. That's completely normal. Next, look over to the Chart Editor panel on the right side of the screen. In the Setup tab, you'll find the chart type options. Click the chart type drop-down and then select Pie Chart. Once you choose it, your chart will immediately update. You should now see your categories displayed as slices of a circle, with each slice sized according to its value. At this point, take a moment to review the result. Make sure the slices match your data and that the labels are being interpreted correctly. If something looks off, it often means the selected range needs adjusting, or the labels and values may need to be organized more clearly in the sheet before creating the chart again. A quick tip here: pie charts are easiest to read when you use a small number of categories. If there are too many slices, the chart can become cluttered and harder to understand. Keeping your data simple makes the final visual much more effective. And that's all it takes to make a pie chart. Once you've selected your data, inserted a chart, and changed the type in the chart editor, you are done. Thanks for watching.